Hello, everyone, and welcome back to camperoutdoor.com. I'm John Smith, and I'm joined by my esteemed colleague, Ward Greenway. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you.
That's right, John. We're diving into the world of fifth-wheel toy haulers, and not just any toy haulers. We're talking about the absolute best for 2024. With so many options out there, finding the perfect combination of layout, luxury features, and build quality can be a bit overwhelming. Don't you think, John?
Absolutely. Ward, that's why we're here to guide you through this thrilling journey with our exclusive buyer's guide. We've handpicked the top contenders in the market, all offering high-level customization choices and luxurious amenities.
But here's the kicker. Folks, among these stellar options, there's a notable difference in floor plans that you need to pay close attention to. We're talking about the presence of a side patio and the garage length, ranging from 12 to almost 15 feet. That's roughly 100 square feet of additional space inside the RV.
And D-word, the side patio and garage length can make a world of difference in your RV experience. So keep an eye out for those details as we take you through this sneak peek of our extensive review.
And hey, if you're hungry for more details, make sure to check out the description below for our comprehensive buyer's guide. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know your thoughts on these impressive toy haulers in the comments.
That's right, Ward. Your feedback means the world to us. Now let's continue our journey and explore the best, the biggest, the most massive fifth wheel toy haulers for 2024, complete with prices. So keep in mind, these prices are just for orientation. Are you ready to roll, Ward?
Absolutely, John. Buckle up, everyone. It's time to discover the ultimate in fifth wheel toy haulers for 2024. Let the adventure begin.
Now let's shine the spotlight on Luxe, a brand that truly epitomizes luxury in the world of fifth wheel toy haulers. Luxe has long been synonymous with premium quality and customizable features, elevating the RV experience to new heights.
That's right, John. Luxe isn't just about customization, it's about luxury redefined. And for 2024, Luxe is rolling out a stunning lineup of models, ranging from 44 to a whopping 48 feet in length. The longest on the current market, these are not just RVs, they're marvels on wheels.
What sets Luxe apart is its commitment to superior four-season construction. They've incorporated the latest advancements in insulation technology, ensuring that your journey remains comfortable and enjoyable regardless of the weather conditions outside. Standing tall at an impressive 13 feet 6 inches and stretching over 48 feet and 2 inches in length, the Luxe 48B offers a living space that's nothing short of grand. The floor plan includes a front king bedroom with a bathroom, a mid-kitchen, and a spacious living room. And here's the kicker, it can comfortably sleep 6 to 8 people. And here's a sneak peek into our extensive review. If the Luxe 48B's extreme luxury isn't what you're after, don't worry. We've got more options in this lineup that are not only economical, but also highly recommended. Stick around as we explore some alternatives that save you about $100,000 in budget without compromising on comfort and space.
So whether you're aiming for the pinnacle of luxury or seeking a more budget-friendly option, stay tuned as we unravel the best fifth wheel toy haulers of the year.
Now, let's shift our focus to the 2024 Forest River XL or Nitro 41D14, a true standout in the world of toy haulers. In fact, it holds the title of being the longest toy hauler in 2024 as of our camper review. This versatile fifth wheel is a marvel in design and functionality. With a floor plan featuring a front king bedroom with a bathroom, mid-kitchen, and a rear living room, it's a spacious haven on wheels. Measuring over 46 feet, the XLR Nitro 4114 offers not just a luxurious camper experience, but also a generous toy hauler garage. It's a true multitasker, ready to haul your toys and comfortably sleep up to 8 people.
Let's dive into the features. A loft theater seating area, a kitchen pantry, a king bed slide out, 2 power awnings, 2 sit and sleep rollover sofas, and a total of 3 slides. And if you're all about aesthetics, there's even an optional full body paint coupled with impressive 16-inch tires.
Now, let's talk weights. A hitch weight of 3,060 pounds and a dry weight of 16,074 pounds, giving it a cargo capacity of 4,926 pounds with 3 spacious slide outs and the capability to sleep 8 people. The XLR Nitro 41G14 strikes a perfect balance between size and comfort. I'm sure some of you are wondering about the price of this beauty. Yeah, let me spill the beans. A 2024 XLR Nitro 41G14 comes in at a competitive $150,363.
That's right, a true contender in the market. Now let's continue our journey through the best fifth wheel toy haulers of 2024. This is just the beginning, and we've got more for you.
Now let's shift our gears to the impressive 2024 Heartland Cyclone 4006, a true gem in the realm of fifth wheel toy haulers. This beauty stands out thanks to a layout that maximizes interior space and incorporates high-end features. One feature worth noting is the rear kitchen, a detail that many RV enthusiasts, including myself, truly appreciate. With a length of 46 feet, the Cyclone 4006 is not just luxurious. It's also one of the largest toy haulers on the market. It boasts up to 21,000 pounds, massive exterior basement storage, a 25-inch residential pull-out grill, and a convenient power cord reel.
The interior is designed for ultimate comfort, featuring a front king master bedroom, a spacious wardrobe, and an ensuite full bathroom. The living room is exceptionally roomy, capable of accommodating many guests, and with a sleeping capacity of 7-8 people, it's perfect for entertaining.
The Cyclone 4006 doesn't skimp on entertainment either. Dual opposing theater seating slides and a third row facing the 50-inch HDD provide seating for 6 to recline and enjoy. And let's not forget the garage. An 8-foot weather-resistant ramp door leads to a spacious 13-foot garage perfect for loading toys, motorcycles, and more. And here's the versatility. When not hauling equipment, transform the garage into an extra bedroom suite with 3 slides, ample tank capacity, washer prep, solar power capabilities, and a robust 35,000 BTU furnace. The Cyclone 4006 is built for extended seasonal use. It combines hauling capacity with residential luxury appointments. Curious about the price tag of the 2024 Cyclone 4006? It's an impressive $128,999. Lovely. Stay with us as we continue to unveil the best fifth wheel toy haulers of 2024. The Cyclone 4006 is just another remarkable entry on this thrilling journey. Let's move on. Now brace yourselves for what I consider the luxury of toy haulers in 2024. The Jayco Seismic 4113 fifth wheel toy hauler. And let me be crystal clear here. We're not in any partnership with manufacturers, but when it comes to Jayco, it's hard not to be impressed.
That's right, John. Jayco has this knack for crafting floor plans that are simply exceptional, and the Seismic 4113 is no different. I mean, who wouldn't be tempted to buy an RV just for the side patio and a party deck with stairs, even if you don't need a toy hauler? It's a stroke of genius, providing a comfortable way to continue enjoying outdoor living.
This luxurious fifth wheel boasts a front bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a mid kitchen, and a rear living room. And let's talk about that side patio. It's a game changer, adding an extra layer of enjoyment to your outdoor experience.
Spanning over 45 feet, the Jayco Seismic 4113 offers ample garage space and living accommodations. Load your toys, bikes, and gear into the 12/6 garage through the fold-down ramp door, and when you're parked, transform it into a loft bunk room with convertible sofas and an extra queen bed.
The living room is nothing short of grand, featuring an enormous reclining sofa facing a 50-inch TV and a cozy fireplace. The U-shaped kitchen is spacious and fully equipped, ready for you to whip up delicious meals. Ring about the cost of the 2024 Seismic 4113. It's priced at $146,318. This is a top-tier contender in its class. So if you're on the hunt for the best of the best, the Jayco Seismic 4000. 113 is a heavy hauling home on wheels that doesn't compromise on luxury. Stick with us as we continue to unravel the finest fifth wheel toy haulers of 2024. Now, let's delve into the details of the massive 2024 Keystone Fuzion 425 toy hauler, a true titan in its class. This fifth wheel behemoth boasts a floor plan that includes a front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living room, and a game-changing side patio. It's a layout designed for spacious living and ultimate versatility. Inside the Fuzion 425 unveils a spacious open floor plan. The large living area, fully equipped kitchen with a 12-EVA residential fridge, and a convenient island create an inviting atmosphere. The master bedroom up front offers a king bed, walk-in closet, and a private bathroom, ensuring a luxurious retreat.
But here's where the Fuzion 425 truly stands out. The garage area in the back. It's not just a storage space. It's a versatile zone with 2 beds and a loft, transforming it into a potential second master suite.
And the amenities? 3 air conditioners, a Bluetooth stereo system, a convection microwave, and a washer prep area, all thoughtfully included to enhance your on-the-road experience.
With smart home controls, an exterior refrigerator, and an abundance of lighting, counter space, and storage, the Fuzion 425 caters to families and couples seeking a high-end toy hauler with both flexibility and cutting-edge technological amenities.
And for those keen on numbers, a base price of $143,473, an exterior length of 44 feet 11 inches, 3 convenient slide-outs, and a generous sleeping capacity of 9 people. The Keystone Fuzion 425 truly exemplifies the perfect blend of luxury and functionality. Now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these stunning toy haulers has captured your heart as the ultimate favorite. Your input could spark an exciting conversation among fellow RV enthusiasts. Hold on, our journey doesn't conclude just yet. There are more exceptional options waiting to be explored, each vying for the title of the best fifth wheel toy hauler of 2024. But wait, the adventure doesn't end here. We've got even more options that could be your perfect fit for the best fifth wheel toy hauler of 2024.
Indeed, we have the Grand Design Momentum and the Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored. Each of these contenders brings something unique to the table. For a detailed breakdown, head over to camperoutdoor.com.
And hey, did we miss a price? Don't worry. We've got you covered. Check out the video description below for a link to our camper review. You'll find a comprehensive chart with all the prices neatly listed for your convenience.
In conclusion, the 2024 best toy hauler fifth wheels on the market offer a diverse range of options. Whether you're looking for over 48 feet of comfort, luxury amenities, spacious rooms, or even a side patio, the choices are abundant.
The pricing, customization levels, and luxury features across these luxurious toy haulers showcase a broad spectrum of choices. It's a fantastic time to be in the market for a fifth wheel toy hauler, and we've covered the best of the best.
Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey through the top fifth wheel toy haulers of 2024. Let us know which of these options you like the most.
Remember to check out camperoutdoor.com for more in-depth details and happy travels. Adventurers, see you next time.